Fireworks Night Safety Tips: How to keep safe on Bonfire Night and advice on fireproofing your home. There are more than 40,000 house fires in the UK every year, and the time around Halloween and Bonfire Night can be particularly hazardous. Bonfire Night is Britain's annual celebration of November 5th, and it is almost time to commemorate the gunpowder plot of 1605, with some garden explosions this year. We usually celebrate with bonfires, fireworks displays, and of course sparklers at our homes and in public. But these celebrations can be very dangerous. Fire action expert Paul Gary shares his top safety tips.